Hi, I'm Shiv.
And I'm Austin.
We've been friends for over 12 years, which means 12 crazy years of skating ripstick, failing at basketball, and most importantly, learning together.
After being around each other for so long, we discovered that in addition to messing around, we love working on projects that are fun and challenging and more hands-on in nature.
Having to walk home a couple miles every day from school, the last thing we want to deal with was forgetting our keys and getting locked out of our houses.
So, we decided to make a fingerprint garage opener that would allow us to enter our homes, no matter if we forgot our keys, and not only did it help us, but our families were also pretty happy. Anyway, let's delve into the heart of our project.
We purchased a fingerprint scanner for about $30 at sparkfun.com and an Arduino for about $20. We bought breadboard wires and resistors at the local Radio Shack.
Here, we wired together the breadboard and Arduino to connect the fingerprint scanner. Because the fingerprint scanner requires a voltage of 3.3 volts and the Arduino supplies 5 volts, we had to wire a voltage divider.
We used the library provided with the FPS that was compatible with Arduino to read fingerprints. We did a couple tests to make sure our features worked.
Here was our first test of the enroll function. Here, we are validating the finger 3 times to make sure it is read properly. It seems to work, and it's now stored on the local database,
which means we can verify it. We did some additional tests to make sure the pins were delivering the correct voltage.
This is the final version of our fingerprint scanner garage opener that we'll be testing. The Arduino is connected to the fingerprint scanner via the breadboard, and the garage opener is directly connected to the Arduino.
In lieu of a battery, we connected Arduino to the garage door opener's battery terminal, and because we use a mini clip to permanently hold down the garage open button, the Arduino pins can choose when to deliver voltage to the garage opener to mimic the button being pressed.
In our case, this only occurs when a fingerprint scanner validates a pre-registered fingerprint.
So first, we'll demonstrate that a non-registered user cannot access the garage opener.
Now, a pre-registered user will place his finger on the scanner, and we see that the garage door opens.
Here's our enroll code. Basically, when a finger is detected on the fingerprint scanner will read the fingerprint and then prompt the user to place the same finger on 2 more times to get a more accurate representation of the fingerprint.
Now, using our ID finger code, the fingerprint scanner can check to see if the finger currently placed on the scanner has been enrolled and stored in it.
Our final code, which will be running continuously in the real world, is the same as ID finger, except when a registered fingerprint is detected, the Arduino sends a current to the garage door opener, opening the garage.
So now we're ready to place our electronics into a secure and durable box to make our project ready for everyday use.
We cut a hole in the box so that we can access the fingerprint scanner from the outside.
Yeah.